In this problem, we're going to find a percent change. One of the first things we need to do is decide which value is the compared value and which value is the reference value. So you want to pause the video for a second and ask yourself, are you comparing cattle to bears, or are you comparing bears to cattle? And if you read the question carefully, you'll see that you're comparing cattle to bears, just because of the way that the question's worded and the perspective that it's showing us. So what that means is that this 283 days for cattle is a compared value. And then the 220 days for bears is a reference value. And notice that the reference value appears twice in this relative difference formula. All right, so next let's write that out. So that's going to be that the relative difference is 283 for the cattle minus 220 for the bears divided by 220. The first thing you want to do is evaluate the numerator by subtracting, and that should give us 63. And then we want to divide. And after dividing, I see quite a few digits behind the decimal. So I'm just going to write a few of these. 286. If I round like this, the next digit would have been 3. So I can round that down to 0.286. However, we're asked about what is the percent. So the last step that we want to do is change this decimal into a percent, and that would be 28.6%.